Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we have 7 Deadly Sins, Gowther, I think. So we're going to start with the right eyelid, as usual, portrait. Some of the shoulders down here. So we're a bit higher up than halfway. So halfway is up here, starting at the top half of our page. And we'll curve across. So let's go. Curve it across like this. So Gowther has kind of, sort of sad eyes, kind of unimpressed kind of eyes, maybe. Curving down like this. And then we'll thicken this up a little bit, like so. And they're dark black. Like this. And eyelash. Just there. And then the iris is kind of long. So in 7 Deadly Sins they have sort of not circular eyes. They're kind of long eyes like this. And then this comes across the bottom. So you don't even have to draw a bottom eyelid. And the pupils in here. And I think the highlight is drawn in as well. So we'll do that up in the corner. Just there. And the other eye. So we'll come over just to here. So we're closer, fairly closer than eye distance. Yeah, a little bit closer. And then we are going to curve this across down to there. And like the other side, it comes down a bit further. And then thicken up the top. We could add some eyelashes, just sticking up here, like so. And then the iris, just like the other side, long, and the bottom comes across there. And then a pupil. And then a shine in the corner, just up here. Like so. She has eyelid lines. Just there. And another eyelid line somewhere here. Coming down. That's the eyelids. The eyelashes, sorry, just there. Right, so Gowther has glasses. So we can't see the top. We can just see like the bottom rim. So kind of curves down this way, like that. On this side we'll do pretty much the same thing. And they're joined together across the nose, just here. 2 lines going across like that. Kind of looks like a mouth. It's funny when you draw characters and like weird things, like it looks like a weird fish mouth or something. Just here. Oh, drawing's fun. And then the bottom of this comes across. And then back up to here. It looks so strange. I can't unsee it. And then this comes across the other side. And then back up into here. Oh. So the part of the glasses that goes behind her ears goes back this way. Like so. And it goes behind her hair. So we can't see the whole lot of it. And this side as well goes off this way. I have a line on it there. So her nose, just underneath this part here, curves this way first, and then we just bring it down to there. And then a nostril right here. Her mouth then real small, just two like dashes, tiny. Just like one here and one here. Okay, starting to look a bit normal now. And then a line just for her bottom lip, just there. Chin. Just there. I just realised I'm calling Gowther she. It's a he, right? Right? Question mark? I think so. Okay, so the jaw comes up to here, and then we curve it up, side of the face, and it goes underneath his hair just here. And then we go up the other side. Like so. So there. And then, so eyebrows. So I forgot eyebrows. So one here. Curves down like so. Thicker on this end. Like that. And then we do another one over here. Comes down like so. And then comes down to here. And don't worry about the fringe, because in Seven Deadly Sins, I think you can actually see the eyebrows through the hair. It's one of those animes. Speaking of hair, so we have a piece of fringe. So we have a long one, comes down the side of the face, just here. Spikes back up. Like that. You can see some of his ear. Just here. And then we have a line for fringe, just there. And then more of these that come down across the face. So, it comes down here. Spikes back up. And then we want, let's see. So we've like a big one that comes down this way. Across the nose. Back up there. Smaller one coming out from here. And then we kind of just have to join them together. So let's see. So this then comes up here, and then we have one that comes down this way. Then it comes into there. And another line here. And then the opposite side here. And it spikes out this way. So a lot of sort of overlapping spikes there, but that's it. So another spike coming down this way. Usually in anime, the hair is one of the trickiest things. And then this comes down to there, spike back up, like so. This one's going to spike back to there, back up like that, and then we have another one here. This one comes up pretty far now, to there. This one comes up further, so And then you have another line in here. And then this comes up a bit further as well. And now we have the ones that kind of go around behind the head. So, here, spikes up this way. Spikes up to here. We have one that comes out and around. Down like so. Comes back into there. Like that. And then we're going to bring it up and around the head. All the way. Then down the other side. Like that. And then we'll have some spikes as we go down. Like so. And then spiking here. And then we have some hair that goes behind her neck, but we have to draw the neck first. So, neck there, neckline. 2 lines coming down like that. His neck. I keep saying her. So that's there. And then this comes up. And then this comes down to here. More lines in there. And then his ear, just in here. And then more hair here. Right, so shoulders, let's go. So shoulders coming up off this way. Like that. And then they actually keep going down, and there's a sleeve here. So we'll bring this down like so. And this comes in towards the body. To there. And then bring it down for his body. And then his arms. They have some lines on them. Like so. Body lines come up a bit further. Folds for clothing. Fold there. And then we have a line that comes across the chest. Like so. In here then we have some straps. Like so. In there. And collarbones. So up and across. There. And then patterns and designs on his clothes. So they're like, okay, I'll do the middle one first. So we got like a line coming down that way and a line here. This goes the whole way up, but we've got these like, I don't know what they are. They look like clovers. So coming out down this way first, and then bring this down and around and in. And we've got 4 more of them. So we'll bring this line up to the next one, coming out and around. Like this. And bring it up to the next one then. Out and around. Like so. up to the next one. And we can only see half of it, like on that side. Like that. Oh, and then there's like a button or a circle or something right here. There you go, how to draw Gowther from 7 Deadly Sins. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.